Welcome to episode 1 of my series, Turning Leftover Pumpkin into Holiday Desserts. Reduce waste and bake delicious Christmas desserts with all the health benefits of pumpkin. Today I'm making Eggless Pumpkin Gingerbread Cookies. Start by adding 113 grams of softened butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, 113 grams of dark brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next, add in 85 grams of blackstrap molasses. I really prefer to weigh this directly into the mixing bowl as molasses is really thick and sticky. This way you get the exact amount right into the bowl. Then add in 113 grams of pumpkin puree. Using pumpkin here is a neutral flavored egg replacer and it uses up that extra pumpkin from Thanksgiving or fall baking. Pumpkin also makes cookies extra chewy and fluffy. Last, add in 340 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ginger, and cloves, and half a teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Mix together until a smooth dough forms. Using your hands or a cookie scoop, form the dough into 12 balls and place on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets and space them evenly apart. You'll get 6 cookies per sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the center looks set and cracked and the bottoms are golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool completely on the baking sheet, then make the glaze. Add 284 grams of sifted powdered sugar and a quarter cup of milk to a mixing bowl and whisk until a smooth glaze forms. Using a butter knife, frost the glaze on top of the cookies. I am obsessed with these soft and chewy eggless gingerbread cookies that use up leftover pumpkin. If you want more holiday dessert recipes that reduce food waste and use up leftover pumpkin, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me for episode 2. Happy holidays from my kitchen to yours.